How to use the YouTube audio library. First, you will need to sign into your account, then click on your profile icon in the top right corner and you will go to your YouTube Studio. Once you enter the YouTube Studio, then here we will just select audio library from the left hand side. So you just want to click on audio library and it's going to take you to the library, and here you can use sound effects, music, and also you can view the license type here. Once you hover over it, it is going to tell you whether attribution is required or not if you select that specific song. And if you find a song which you like, then all you need to do is to hover over it, then click on download here where the date is, the added date is going to be, and you can use that song depending on the license type, whether you need to attribute them basically, which means that you need to provide information about the song used or not. I hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.